Hey guys, good morning. How are you? From many days we are blogging in Hindi and our own language Pahari. So some of the people who are living in other countries like USA, England, they can't understand our language. So today I am decided to gain some more English people. So I am deciding today I am blogging in English. My whole video comes in English today, and I hope you may understand my English. Actually, I am very good in English. So let's start, guys. As you guys know, we start our every video with Miss KJ. So meet him, her. She is KZ Kelly Zanner. So now I am going to start my breakfast. These are chapatis, and this is masoor and moong lentils, and this is lassi. This is made from milk. So this is the plant of a brinjal. There are much brinjal in this plant. Look, these are green, and there is also another plant of brinjal, but these are some different brinjals. You can eat both of them. And this is a small plant of papaya. Look, there is one or two papayas. These are very short. So there is some plantation of the garlic. Basically the main garlic is under the land, and if we put it up, then the garlic comes up in the land.
1 hour later.
Now it's 11 a.m. and I have to take a bath and go for another town to attend some classes also in English. So now it's 11:30 and I have to go as fast as possible because the distance of bus station and me is very much, and I have to go fast. If I miss this bus, I can get another bus after 1 hour. So I can't do this. I have to go fast. We will meet you after that. So there is Lucky ji, and he is also waiting for the bus. Where is your mask? His mask is hanging in his hand. So there is our another friend Mr. Billaji. He is also going with Mr. Lucky ji for the
Hi.
So finally I reached to my point, and now I am waiting for my friend because yesterday he waiting for me and now I am waiting from him. So equal things happening. Just wait and watch when he comes. After that we will go to our institute for learn education. So now it's about 3 years from when I am waiting for my friend, and I think he is coming now. His bus is arriving. So there is he, my friend Shishant, and he is coming very late. Why are you so late? So tell me, why are you so late? Answer my question, please.
My bus is not coming.
His bus is coming very late, so he is late. So now me and my friend is together, and now we are going to learn education. So just go with us. Look at, these are our shadows, and they are so many black. So there is too much traffic in the road, and everyone come there wearing mask because mask is necessary in this time. If you are not wearing the mask, you can get fined by the cops, and you can also went to the jail for 1 day or any more. And the cops were giving you some sticks on your back, and your backbone becomes straight. So there is another side of road. There is a shop of shikanjibi. We have used to drink shikanjibi there at only 10 rupees, and this man like it very much. And that was taste like lemon. Gas puri 20%. Thand pa. So now we are come to our point and I have to go for a read. So we will talk you later. Till then, bye.
Many hours later.
So now we come back and going to home. But before going to home, we have to wait for our buses. Both are different buses. He goes straight, I go forward in the buses. So finally we are ready to go home, but our buses have some time to arrive, so we decided to eat some bread. So I am happy that we complete this short year of blogging in English, and I hope you enjoy the video. And if you want to learn English like me, you can text me on my Instagram or my email in bio. And there is also offer for your childs to learn English from me. So now we are going to end this video. We will come back in next video.
बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय गया।